my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a very exciting job lead opportunity for you. This one is for those of you who have never worked from home, don't really have any experience. Maybe this is your first job, or you've had a long gap in your resume, and you're just trying to get back into the work field. Whatever it is, this one will completely train you, and they are paying for training as well. They require no experience whatsoever. So let's just dive on in. The link, if you're interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Smith AI, they are hiring a virtual receptionist. Now, it does say US based at the top, but it goes on to say they are hiring in both the United States and Mexico, and they have the pay rates listed for both as well. Now, this is going to be a basic receptionist position. Think if you were sitting in an office as a receptionist, you would be sitting at the desk. If customers come in, you would be talking to them and handling their issues. If people call the office to ask questions, you'd be picking up the phone and answering those. So this is going to be like a customer service based position. So you'll be answering calls from a variety of different businesses and professionals. You'll be taking messages for people, screening new clients, booking appointments, collecting payments over the phone, and transferring calls to other departments. So you will be understanding the caller's needs and providing basic business information. Now, as far as what they're looking for, again, no actual experience is required. You have to have access to high-speed internet and the ability to work flexible hours in a quiet setting in your house. You need to be able to be a multitasker and be confident using a computer and communicating with people. You also are going to be required to pass a background check. You also have to have your own computer, desktop, or laptop with the Google Chrome browser installed and can type at least 40 words per minute. Now, if that is you, because this is an entry-level position, they're paying $15 an hour for United States folks, $16 an hour if you happen to be bilingual and can speak English and Spanish. Of course, paid training, and for my United States folks, they are offering healthcare benefits. Now, if you live in Mexico, they are paying $11 an hour, and again, they are still offering a paid training. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that is always okay. Not everything is for everyone. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.